Assalamu alaikum. It's been way too long, like 1.5 year, I think so. I've been like nowhere on YouTube, but today I thought like making a video because I'm going to UK today, inshallah. So I'm going by tonight to get a flight and we'll go to inshallah to London for my further studies. So right now अभी फैसलाबाद में हूँ and I'm going back home, meeting all my friends. It's been very sad for everybody, for me, my family, friends, and all that stuff. And I definitely miss everybody back here when I go. So, but it would be like full of adventures, fun, progress, inshallah. So, but inshallah, we'll be coming back over here again for holidays and all that stuff. So, it's like packing your whole life into a 30 kg suitcase, right? So, but definitely life is about like this. This is what life is. You don't know, like, even before, like, thinking, even like 1 month before, there was like no point of me going anywhere. But it's happening, alhamdulillah. And hopefully it will like a good experience and exposure and all that things out. But yeah, for the time being, I'm going home. I'm in Faisalabad right now and will definitely miss all the things up. So let's hope for the best. I thought like I should like start making videos of this, like my whole journey, and I was like busy. I was like very busy and very occupied in last few months, like 1.5 year. I went to Baku and I went to Umrah and all like places in Faisal, Pakistan, over and over again. And this time the travel is something very different. Like we have to pack your life and start a new life in a different country, different city, different place, different home, different people. But inshallah, everything will be like very good and perfect. So I'll keep you updated with my all the journey, the next further journey. So let's hope for the best. So this was my like walking wardrobe. So I just got ready and just got a like quick shower, or was like weighing my wardrobe and my room until I see it next time. Or bus it was something 7, और बस कुछ देर में I'll leave. Going for the airport. अभी I'll go to my mom's house and meet them, and after like 3-4 hours I'll probably leave for the airport. So packing is done, and even though I am ready, let's go. ये मेरा hand carries है, like 2 of these जो बड़ा लगेज है, that's in the car. ये भी आईपैड क्या आईपैड वाला पड़ा रहना मेरे को. So this is my hand carry one, and till I got all this stuff out from the bag that I like, the trash. Yeah, perfect. Now I'm waiting for my flight, और अभी मैं बैठा हूँ CIP lounge में. फैसलाबाद का CIP lounge is not that big. So we are here at the Faisalabad airport, and it's 4 my flight is like after 20 minutes. So basically I got a little upgrade to this, and this is a window seat. It's a good leg space. Thankfully जिस सीट पे मैं बैठा हुआ है उसके बिल्कुल साथ कोई नहीं बैठा हुआ, so it's like long seat. और मैं got something और मैं iPad पे वो देख रहा हूँ, and I got the meal. और ये ब्रेकफास्ट है, इट्स चिकन टिक्का ऑमलेट, या सो विल लाइक ईट एंड एंजॉय. अभी ना मैं चेयर पे बैठा बैठा थक गया था, तो मैं आया हूँ वॉशरूम. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, लेट मी शो यू अ फीचर ऑफ दिस वॉशरूम. दिस इज ओपन. This is like when you close the door. ये सीन है. दुबई से फ़्लाइट है जी, फैसलाबाद से दुबई की फ़्लाइट है. दैट्स समथिंग अराउंड 3 hours, ऑलमोस्ट घंटे की रह गई होगी. बस खाना शाना खाया है. वीडियोस डाउनलोड पड़ी थी वो देख रहा था. दैट्स ऑल. सो just waiting for another flight because Dubai में मेरा layover 2 घंटे है. Although this was a 3-hour flight, but I got tired, or I didn't even slept a minute in this flight. And here from the plane we can see the Burj Khalifa out there. That's why sitting right on the right seat is a trick to have a view of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. तो जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम एट दुबई एयरपोर्ट. और टर्मिनल 2 से आई टुक अ बस टू टर्मिनल 3. दैट वाज अराउंड 40-45 minutes. एंड नाउ आई हैव टू Megate. दैट्स B29. Although the time is 7:40 almost. So एक दफ़ा सुकून से चले जाएं अपने टर्मिनल पे, then afterwards I'm all easy. ये आ गया B28 और इसके अगले वाला would be B29. That's my gate. Dubai airport is like huge. I'm walking since 30 minutes. So I am right now in front of my gate B29, and the check-in, the transfer to Dubai airport like was very smooth, but the transfer to like Faisalabad like really bad. They were behind my like a handbag, and I just put my like handbag into the bin afterwards when they were not allowing it. And I'm attaching the video here. जब मैंने अपना वो जो बैग शोल्डर बैग मैंने वो डस्टबिन में फेंक दिया था क्योंकि वो अलाउ ही नहीं कर रहे थे. एंड although it was like 4-5 kgs, not more than it, so I had to throw it. Anyways, for time being, the Dubai airport is like really nice and very smooth. The gates are like very the airport is like very big. You have to walk a lot, so you have to be on time. It's 8:20 now, and my departure is like around 9:40. So but anyways, like it's been an hour almost to the next flight. जो 8 घंटे की ऑलमोस्ट 7 hours 45 minutes और दैट्स एमिरेट्स और होपफुली दैट विल बी कंफर्टेबल। ये जो फ्लाई दुबई की फ़्लाइट थी फ्रॉम फैसलाबाद, इट वाज इवन कंफर्टेबल। आई गॉट एक्स्ट्रा लेग रूम और इट वाज वेरी इजी। 3 घंटे की फ़्लाइट थी, 3.5 घंटे की फ़्लाइट थी। इट वाज लाइक वेरी नाइस और बट दिस इज़ अ लॉन्ग फ्लाइट, 8 hours flight. Inshallah it will be like very nice. So I had like roamed around to the places, shops, and now I'm going to my gate, like sitting there, chilling there, and wait for my boarding. So let's see in the plane. All done with the boarding thing and बस अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ। 9 बज गए हैं। इन लाइक 40 minutes they would be the plane going towards London towards a long flight, 8 hour long flight। और मैंने भी कॉफ़ी ली है, बस कॉफ़ी ली है, पी है और मैं फ़ौरन अंदर आ गया हूँ गेट के, क्योंकि द बोर्डिंग क्लोजेस बाय 9, मतलब 15 मिनट बाद। तो मैंने कहा ईजी सीन करते हैं। Sorry. So this is my seat. Good leg space. So I doze off. Like मैं सो गया था 2 घंटे फ्लाइट में और now it's the food time. So it's been a very long flight. तकरीबन 7 घंटे हो गए हैं और 1 घंटा रह गया। इट वॉज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग फ्लाइट बट इट वॉज़ कम्फर्टेबल। मैं रास्ते में सोया रहा हूँ ज़्यादा टाइम और अभी मैं आया हूँ। मैंने कहा चक्कर लगाते हैं बाहर आगे वॉशरूम में। सो या इंशाल्लाह 1 घंटा रह गया तो I was just like sleeping and eating all in this flight. So local time in London पे that's something 1 around 2 p.m. Got my luggage, done with the immigration, and I'm feeling a little bit cold and it feels like 16-15 और बैग्स भी ले लिए हैं और अभी my friend will be coming to pick me up, so he will be just coming by 5 minutes, so we'll go everything was like very smooth, like not more than 5-6 minutes to all the immigration, baggage, like very smooth. He asked like 3-4 questions and it was all sorted after it. तो माई फ्रेंड केम टू पिक मी अप और अभी हम जा रहे हैं टूवर्ड्स टू आवर होटल. हमने होटल बुक किया हुआ है फॉर 2 days. बस अभी हम होटल में आए हैं और आई थॉट to give you a quick room tour. This was a washroom and the best thing about it was this. Or this is Novotel and nearby the hotel. ये एयरपोर्ट के पास है और that's a very nice all Accor hotel. Or we booked this for 2 nights and look the view outside. And it is very cold today. And for dinner we came for these steaks and they were like so good. After like having dinner we came out और अभी हम लंदन की स्ट्रीट्स पे घूम फिर रहे हैं, जो एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. My friend is telling me about the places where to go, where to chill, where to eat. और the weather was very cold and we were there just messing the roads around. और घूमते फिरते हम आ गए टूवर्ड्स द मेन अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द सिटी, द लंदन आई, द रिवर थेम्स. और इसी रोड पे आगे थोड़ा सा वॉक करके देयर इज़ अ बिग बैन. ये बिग बैन है एंड दिस वाज लाइक सो ड्रीमी. Imagine it's your first day in London and you're traveling the most touristy places. Or we are enjoying a lot. We are traveling. Or this is the road next to the Big Ben. और ये रहा बिग बैन और इसके साथ है एबी. So this is our next morning. We just woke up. We slept very late last night. We were talking. We were having so much fun. और अभी it's like very sunny, a very good day, a bright day. तो अभी we are thinking to go out for breakfast. And now we came for swimming because the hotel was very nice. It has a swimming pool. We had swimming, steam and sauna all together. तो जी afterwards हम कल होटल आ गए थे and we are staying here for like 2 nights. This is our room. I just came back swimming. So this is our room. Look at the view outside. So what we're gonna do now is we stayed last night and we'll stay for even tonight. Or we'll it's around 4 p.m. and we'll go for a quick lunch or breakfast and afterwards we'll do rest of the stuff. So I was so busy with all these things and I thought let you update and I thought I should update you guys. So this is the update till now. I'm very busy. So we just came out from our hotel and there was like huge buildings, apartments nearby our hotel. And we came to a breakfast place and we had the English breakfast. It was even so good and so yummy. Afterwards we came and now we are going to get something sorted for my accommodation thing. For that we are going towards it and we'll see which thing we need and which thing we can buy today. So this was the progress so far. My friend helped me a lot getting all the things before. और अभी काफ़ी चीज़ें ली हुई थी और काफ़ी चीज़ें अभी लेनी हैं. तो we'll just sat down or we'll make a list what else we need in this room and for like daily living, because obviously you are starting everything from scratch. You have to buy everything. So we'll just make a list and get the things tomorrow. So after very tiring day we came to a restaurant. ये टर्किश रेस्टोरेंट था, इसका नाम था गोक्यूजू. It was so good. We ordered the platter thing with the lamb and the chicken. It was so good, like literally the best Turkish I have ever. So this is basically our day 3. So it's been my 3rd day in London. Or we went for the room, the house yesterday. Or we got few things. My friend even got few things even before coming me. And for few things we are out to IKEA to get them sorted. And this is basically the move-in day, na? So I've been recording like the past 2 days. I was busy, but I'm like putting the smaller clips. So this is, so I need a few of the stuff from IKEA, like a table, a side table, a rack, and that's all. So for that we are in IKEA. It's 1.5 now, and we'll get the stuff sorted, and we'll go because we'll get the flat packs. उसको खुद जोड़ना पड़ेगा, तो जाएंगे and get that thing sorted. और then the room is all ready, and afterwards I'll like show you the room. So we made a list what thing we need, and we need some things from the furniture because we have to like furnish all the place क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. और हमने लिस्ट बनाई हुई है which things we need, which furniture pieces we need, or which other things we need. Or obviously we are at IKEA, we'll like shop more than our list. And I was looking for getting a lamp in my room, so was just roaming here and there. Got all the essential stuff from the IKEA, although they had like huge variety of everything, but we were just sticking to the regular things. Here we got the basket and the cushions and the small boxes.
We like anything and everything.
Everything in Desi, right? So for getting the groceries, we are here at the Tesco Extra to get all the groceries done. Or abhi we got all some electronic thing or the other like basic things. But the car is full of my luggage.
Sorry.
No, sorry, no worries. So this was the update so far. We are trying to make all the things by today.
Second guess me, live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, Don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me.
And now we came for a quick dinner. So basically, we did so much today. We shopped from IKEA, and what was the shop name? We shopped from IKEA. We got some stuff, a lot of groceries from Tesco. We came back home. Thankfully, my friend Wasif Bhai was here to do all the things with me, and now it's the first day night. Basically, it's 10 p.m. and I'm in my room, and he just left me. We had like very nice food, and this was all it. This was, I know this has been very long vlog. I was vlogging in between and no vlogging, but this was all it. Will yeah, definitely will share my all room with you. So inshallah by tomorrow. See you very soon. Allah Hafiz.